In 2025, Ford added the Sasquatch package to the Bronco Sport range. It comes with a twin-clutch rear differential on the Outer Banks trim level and is available on the Badlands trim level. The Bronco Sport is based on the same platform as the small Escape crossover, and all models have all-wheel drive. The standard engine is a 180 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter 3-cylinder, with the option of a 238 horsepower turbo 2.0-liter 4-cylinder. Both come with an 8-speed automatic transmission, but the more powerful engine includes steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters and improved cooling components. The top-tier Badlands trim level has a variety of special features, including a twin-clutch rear drive unit with differential lock, also available on the Outer Banks Sasquatch. The Badlands and Sasquatch models also include all-terrain tires fitted on 17-inch wheels, a 1-inch suspension raise for increased ground clearance, and stiffer dampers. The Bronco Sport's interior is attractively designed and has many popular features. Every Bronco Sport comes standard with a 13.2-inch touchscreen that operates Ford's Sync 4 software, as well as a 12.3-inch digital gauge display. The Sync 4 comes equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as in-dash navigation and SiriusXM satellite radio. A 6-speaker stereo is standard, but the Outer Banks and Badlands models include a 10-speaker B&O sound system as an option. The Bronco Sport comes equipped with a slew of driver assistance features, including standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking. The pricing of the 2025 Ford Bronco Sport ranges from $31,590 to $41,590, depending on specification and additional features.